Shraddha Shinde. I am an anchor by profession. तो हमने कई बार देखा होगा कि स्टेज पर जाने से पहले a lot of times we get scared, we get anxious और जब हम actually स्टेज पर जाते हैं we end up making a lot of mistakes. तो आज मैं कुछ आपको ऐसे टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स बताऊंगी जिससे आप ये मिस्टेक्स रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं. And because of these tips and tricks, I'm just getting better and better every day. So before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more such videos. So let's get started. So the first tip is prepare and practice. So please make sure कि आपका जो पूरा टॉपिक है उसका आप thoroughly research करें and then organize your content in a very clear and concise manner. And please make sure that you are very clear with the entire topic. एक बार आपका पूरा स्क्रिप्ट आपका पूरा टॉपिक रेडी हो जाए उसके बाद मेक श्योर दैट यू प्रैक्टिस एंड प्रैक्टिस. अगर आप कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं है तो प्लीज मेक श्योर अगेन एंड अगेन यू कीप रीडिंग द स्क्रिप्ट एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो गो इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर. आईने के सामने जाइए एंड लुक एट योर सेल्फ एंड अगेन रिपीट द एंटायर स्क्रिप्ट. Also what you can do is just get any of your friend or family member, just make them sit in front of you और उनको देख के आप ये स्क्रिप्ट वापस रिपीट करिए. But please make sure that you go through the script again and again if you are not confident enough. हमारी जो सेकेंड टिप है that is understanding the audience. So please make sure कि आपका जो इवेंट है उसमें ऑडियंस जो है उनकी नीड क्या है, what kind of audience are you representing. I'll give you an example. तो अगर आप suppose birthday party host कर रहे हैं, so please make sure that you don't go there and are very formal like how you would be in a corporate event. So there you have to be real fun. लेकिन अगर आप corporate event में हैं, then you can't just go there and make people dance for no reason. So that's how you understand the audience और उनके हिसाब से अगर आप आपका पूरा content बनाओगे then you will understand how you can keep the audience better engaged. So if you understand the audience कि उनकी need क्या है, उनके interest क्या है and what could keep them engaged, so accordingly that you can make your content and make the event even more better. The third tip is confidence boosters. Now a lot of things can really boost up your confidence. Like for me, when I dress up really good, so when I say dressing up also, make sure that it is very comfortable. And when you dress good and when you look good, तो automatically आपका confidence बढ़ जाता है. Now some other important confidence boosters are your posture, your body language, how you maintain yourself when you are around people, and also smiling and eye contact. I think that is very important whenever it comes to talking on the stage. So please make sure that you have the right posture, you dress well and you look good, and at the same time you have good eye contact and a great smile on your face. Tip number 4 is breathing and calming the nerves. So very seasoned speakers also go through this where they experience this nervousness, and the best way to get rid of nervousness is breathing exercises before the event. But in the long run also, अगर आप long term के लिए भी देख रहे हैं, so I do pranayam 15 to 20 minutes in the morning, and you can also refer to an expert and see which pranayam works the best for you. But I will show you one exercise जो आप किसी भी speech के पहले या presentation, or if you are an anchor who has just started off, if you are going on the stage, then this is the exercise which you can do before you get onto the stage. So what you have to do is just breathe in, hold your breath and then breathe out. So it goes like, hold it there and then let it out. So you just keep repeating it. ये आप repeat करते रहिए till you feel completely calm. Tip number 5 is visualization. So remember guys, visualization is a great tool. तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं, just close your eyes and just start imagining yourself delivering a flawless performance. Also start imagining कि आपको audience से positive response आ रहा है. So you can just close your eyes and imagine everything. और ये जो mental rehearsal है, इससे क्या होगा, आपकी anxiety दूर होगी and आपका self assurance बढ़ जाएगा. Well, there you have it. Tips and tricks to just ace your public speaking or anchoring performance. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो please make sure that you like, comment and subscribe. इसका एक part 2 वीडियो भी मैं बनाने वाली हूँ, so please make sure that you subscribe to the channel and stay tuned to get notifications on more such videos. This is your host Shraddha Shinde signing off.